Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this beautiful unit I'm wearing. Very easy to create, very easy to make. If you want to see how I made this, stay tuned. So for this video, I'm using a half of a frontal and I will sew it into a wig cap, and you can place it in a way that you want it. I'm using this free tress braids. These are free tress brand distress locks, and I will be using those to just make my lock. And to wrap the ends, I'm using this Cuban twist. It's like kinky. You can also use kinky Jamaican hair. It doesn't matter, whatever hair you feel comfortable to use. And I'm just gonna sew in that wig. that frontal or closure, whatever you're using, into the wig cap and start installing the locks. So installing the locks, I have two methods that I'm using. And guys, I do want to apologize for how my camera is today. I actually filmed this on my phone, and this is why it is so narrow looking, and I apologize. I hope you can see what I'm doing, and my baby's on the background. So for this first one, you just wrap the hair on the bottom. So you pull the kinky twist hair through the wig cap, and you will see in a minute how I'm doing it here, right? Just a little piece because you don't want it too much. And then you put the crochet lock into that kinky hair, and then I try to loop it through the wig cap again, and then just take the rest of that kinky hair and then just wrap it on the bottom. So I wrap it and then I just rub my hands through it. It's very easy. The second method that I'm using is to pull the crochet hair through one of the strand of the kinky hair and then attach it, like tie it down like this, and then you just wrap it through the bottom of it. Yep, it's very easy. You just rub the ends, your hands through it, just like that, and that's it. And those are the two methods that I use for installing the crochet hair through, the crochet wig, yes, I can't talk today. The crochet locks through the wig cap. Good. And guys, please forgive my camera filming today. I did film this over my phone, so this is why it looks so narrow. I hope you can really see what I'm doing. I'm trying my best to make sure you can see this, so I really do apologize for the way that my filming looking today, but you will get the picture. This is a very easy wig to make because you're using the crochet hair and it's already pre-made for you, so you're not actually making your locks yourself. You're just installing the locks into your wig cap, so it's very easy. So I did pretty much finish for the back. Now I'm going to braid the frontal or the closure, whatever you're using, and I'm spraying a little bit of water into it. It just makes it easier for me to control the hair. And I just section the hair into little square. You part it the way that you want to part it. I'm using jam to get a better control of the hair. And I just pre-braided the hair just like this I'm doing. And once that is done, I will go ahead and install the crochet into it. see the front is all braided the way that I want it, into little square. You can braid it into round or whatever. Is actually the same method that I use for the whole front, and I will add a little bit more hair if I don't have enough. I just add a little more at a time because I don't want it to be too much hair, too much wrapping hair. So I will add until the actual frontal hair is completely wrapped. Is ready for install. I have an elastic band right there, 2 attachment come right in the middle there, and I am ready to put it on. So the wig is on. I will not be gluing this down just because I will be taking it out, easier for me to take out. I'm just gonna lay my edges down and it's all done. For real, very easy, very fast to install because this is already, like I said, it's already pre-made for you. So this is the final result. I am in love with this hair. It just feels so light. It's a lot of hair, but it's really not heavy at all, and that's what I like about it. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, please. It will help this channel grow. Just go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. It's very encouraging when you do, and I thank you so much for doing so. So hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you really like this video, and if you do, like I said, give it a thumbs up for me, guys. Guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, your notification. I will try my best to give you more video as much as possible. I am really working on it. If you want more videos like this from me, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, leave me comments below. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.